guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make the vlog of unboxing of my guitar. I just received my guitar of Harley Benton. The model is D-120 CE VS, and I'm going to show the unboxing. So without any delay, let's do the unboxing. So difficult. Can you see? Wow. Ooh. Protective covers, protective bag, protective bag. Oh my god, yes, this is the guitar. This is the guitar. Ooh. Ooh. I got two these stickers for my guitar, and wow. Yes. Wow. Woo. Yeah, finally. Yeah, this is the guitar. And there is something else as well. And here is the guitar bag. And this is the bag from Thomann. This is really protective. It's a very nice bag. It has nice protection to the guitar. So I just did the unboxing of my Harley Benton guitar. The model is D-120 CE VS. Look at this, guys. Just see how this is. I'm completely in love with this guitar. The look is so nice. And I also got those two stickers for the guitar. And I also bought the gig bag for the guitar. The bag is so nice. It's from Thomann. I bought the guitar also from Thomann, and the bag also from the Thomann. So the bag is super good with its price. So look at the bag. The thickness of the bag is nice. It's good. I'm completely satisfied with the thickness of the bag, and it has like this thing to carry. It's nice. So yeah, I like both the guitar and the bag.